See, make a gist you something. It's not only real estate consultants and real estate developers that make money from real estate investment. Are you aware? As you're listening to me right now, you can as well make good money from real estate. How will you do that? All you need to do is to put money in some of these developing areas that lands are still very cheap, and give it a little time, like a year, 2, 3, or 5, or even 10 years, and you'll see that you'll get good return on investment. For instance, you can get a new Banana Highland that is currently selling for 7 million naira, and then if you get like 3 plots, 2 plots, even 1 plot, 5 plots, or 10 plots, depending on the amount of cash you have, especially the money you kept lying in the bank without using it for anything. You are enriching the bank. They are using your money to trade, and they are not giving you return for it. So all you need to do is to invest it into properties, and then you begin to see return on investment. And after a while, you can sell 1 or 2 of those properties, you use it to develop the other one, or you collect your profit from it, and then you invest your capital again. That way you get more money than leaving your money to sleep in the bank. Okay, so join me in Mercy Divine Properties Limited so we make good money together. Isn't that good? And don't forget to call me on 0903429651 to get your own plot of new Banana Highland that we are currently selling for 6.5 million naira instead of 7 million naira. All right, I'll be waiting for you. Bye.